morning, everybody. As you can see out the window, Mother Nature has decided to let loose. And, well, more to the point, she changed her mind again. It's just kind of funny how nature does that from time to time. So anyway, heading back to the office after seeing a couple of my patients. I've probably got a busy afternoon. An education session. I gotta go see another patient who's starting to make his way out. All in all, busy week, good week. Had to play catch up from Friday with the migraine, but glad. Trying to, as I was saying yesterday, trying to feel positive and looking forward to things that are coming and work on the things that matter. So, fingers crossed for good things yet to come. And not letting a day like today get me down and get, Anyway, I forgot what I was going to say, so more later.